With the international pursuit of low-carbon and circular economy, sustainable development has become the primary goal of various industries today. Moldex3D focuses on CAE foundational technology, big data validation, and applications. Through advanced simulation technology, it delves into the molding results of various plastic processes, assisting users in addressing challenges such as energy conservation, environmental protection, low manufacturing costs, design flexibility, and performance requirements. Moldex3D 2024 strengthens simulation efficiency, making the meshing process more simplified and rapid. The new crystallization model enables more accurate crystallinity calculations and exports the results of warpage deformation as step format, making it easier to perform mold compensation adjustments. The streamlined Moldex3D results reduces file sizes, facilitates transmission. The display kernel is optimized to make the picture presentation clearer and the movements smoother. Facing the rapidly growing demand for high-end and automotive IC packaging, Moldex3D 2024 enhances wire bonding simulation and nonlinear post-mold cure warpage, helping to prevent potential defects. We also provide unique electronic potting simulation, offering more realistic and detailed visualization of dispensing head pass and feeding, achieving a more comprehensive simulation. To address the challenges of lightweight requirement, we improve the display settings for fiber, vector, and particle flow analysis, allowing for a clearer understanding of the molding conditions of fiber-reinforced materials. Now, we can accurately simulate the mold temperature changes during the mold movement process, achieving more accurate compression molding results. For resin transfer molding simulation, more intelligent wizard tools and post-processors are provided to assist in early defect diagnosis and design modifications. The API functionality allows repetitive operations and time-consuming data collection to be easily handed over to automation tools, accelerating task completion. At the same time, we are committed to providing Moldex3D users with more convenient real-time services through the cloud. Through the Moldiverse cloud platform, we gain a leading edge in design. Whether utilizing the MHC for quickly assessing the performance of different materials, or establishing a proprietary machine database through iMolding Hub, we enable customers to overcome device limitations, assist in establishing, preserving, and managing intellectual assets for digital transformation, improving production efficiency, and reducing costs. In 2024, we will continue to deepen foundational research and innovation. Moldex3D 2024, Charging Moldability.